Imagine the sizzle of a hot griddle, the enticing aroma of freshly cooked food wafting through the air, and the hustle and bustle of a vibrant market. This is the world of Korean street food, a culinary adventure that is as much about the experience as it is about the food. First on the list is Tteokbokki, a fiery red dish that is as bold in flavor as it is in color, made from soft, chewy rice cakes, bathed in a spicy, sweet gochujang sauce. Tteokbokki is a favorite among locals and tourists alike. The dish originated during the Joseon dynasty and was a delicacy served at royal banquets. Today, it's a staple street food that can be found at every corner in Korea. Next, meet the Hotteok, a sweet pancake filled with a syrupy mixture of brown sugar, honey, and chopped nuts. Hotteok was introduced by merchants from the Middle East in the late 19th century and has since become a winter favorite in Korea. The perfect blend of sweet and savory makes it an irresistible treat on a cold day. Then there's the iconic Korean street toast, or giljeori toast. It's a simple yet satisfying sandwich made with eggs, cabbage, and a generous spread of ketchup and mayonnaise, all sandwiched between two slices of perfectly toasted bread. This dish was created during the 1990s economic crisis as a quick and affordable food option for busy workers. Now it's a beloved breakfast item that's as comforting as it is delicious. Let's not forget the humble yet delicious Odeng, a fish cake skewer served with a warm, savory broth. This dish was influenced by Japanese cuisine during the colonial era, but has since evolved into a distinctly Korean comfort food. It's the perfect snack to warm you up on a chilly evening. Finally, we have the Bungeoppang, a sweet pastry shaped like a fish, filled with sweet red bean paste. This delightful dessert was introduced to Korea by the Japanese during the 1930s and quickly became a popular snack, especially during the winter months. In summary, Korean street food is a fascinating blend of flavors, textures, and histories. From the fiery Tteokbokki that was once a royal delicacy, to the comforting giljeori toast born out of economic hardship, each dish tells a unique story. The sweet Hotteok and Bungeoppang show the influence of foreign cultures, while the savory Odeng demonstrates the evolution of Korean cuisine. So the next time you find yourself in the bustling streets of Korea, don't just walk by the food stalls. Stop, taste, and immerse yourself in the rich culinary history that is Korean street food. It's an experience that's sure to satisfy your taste buds and your curiosity. Enjoy the flavors of Korea.